Now that I have the folder structure mostly complete, I'm going to start building out those element templates from my spreadsheet. So to do so, I'm just going to be going directly from the top of my list down. I'm going to start with plan, and I'll create all of my inlets. Right, so under plan, I'm going to create a new element template. I'll set the level. And then I'm also going to right-click, add a cell. And then I'm going to assign the corresponding cell model. So this is going to be plan type B with type B framing grade 2x3. From here, I'm going to copy each one and then rename it. And then reassign the cell. And then work my way down until I have all of my plan element templates. Next, I'll go into my profile and I'll create a new element template here called Inlet Profile. Set my level. And then we'll move into the 3D top. Now for this, I'm going to have a duplication of these element templates here. So I'm going to copy these into my 3D top. And then with all of those selected for the 3D top, I'm going to go and locate where these cells are. So these are going to start with type B. And they're all in here where I have my tops and bottoms. So this might be where you decide how you're going to name your cells. So having them prefixed with top might group them together better here to make it easy to go and assign. Or you can put them at the end as I've chosen to do. So we'll just change them all to this location, and then as I go through the list, I'll already be at that location, so it's not as hard to reassign. And then work my way down here. And then I've done the same thing with 3D bottoms, and then reassigned the correct cell to those. And then as you do this, you may want to right-click the parent folder and sort your children to put them in alphabetical order, and then you'll also want to sort your folders as well. Right, so when I created these, I just put them all in the same folder, and I need to separate those out by type. So I have C and D here. I'm going to just cut those out and put them in my type C. Right, one last thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to go into my 3D bottom element templates, do a bulk selection, and I'm going to right-click and add a material. So the material is already going to be pre-assigned in the cell for both top and bottom, but we also are going to want to assign a material to the bottom element template. And this is going to help with the extrusion process to make sure the material is assigned to that area that's programmatically filled in. So I'll go and choose my material, and then I'll also do this for my other inlets.